OMG, I have a sponge of mascara on my face.
Let me help. I can't work under these conditions.
Meet me downstairs. I have to get something out of my locker.
Okay. Shakisha, no! Shakisha, why did you do that?
So my man, that's what you get.
Meet me at my house. Let's figure this whole thing out.
Sure, I guess.
I have to walk though.
Please, Sky.
Okay, fine.
I hate walking. I just bought these shoes yesterday. Almost there, just up the street, and I'll finally be there. Are you? No, don't hurt me. Okay, stop. Shakisha, LaQuisha, help me! Help!
Quick, what's the number for 911?
It's 911, stupid LaQuisha. How did she steal my man? She ain't even that smart.
Save yourself. It was a ghost.
Nicknamed the Monster of the Andes, the vicious serial killer of hundreds. Here we have the murder of a young teen, Sky Tacos, that has been stabbed once in the stomach by a new mysterious teen. Students of Prairie Point are claiming to see. No one can put a name to this mysterious murderous face. News alert, we just got word that citizens of Colombia have found the dug up grave of Pedro Lopez.
The reporters are gone.
I know. Oh, there's a ghost trying to kill us. But let's paint our nails.
Oh my gosh, let me get some more nail polish.
Okay. So pretty. Wow.
I got more nail polish. Are you okay?
Yes.
Well then, what color would you like?
Your blood.
What is wrong with you? OMG, it can't be. You're the ghost.
Yes, it did.
Walk.
Why run when? Wait, what are you doing?
Oh, right. Please, don't hurt me.
This is what you get for stealing my man.
Is this gonna be a blooper?
It's gonna be a blooper.
It's gonna be a blooper.
It's gonna be a blooper.
Oh my god, it's gonna be a blooper. Oh my god, oh my god. Say hello, Folden.
Hello, Folden.
Let me get in.
And what color would you like?
Easy. 5, 4, go. It's already recording.
Okay.
Oh.
That's probably my mama.
Oh, guys, look at oh my.
Recording.
Me. you downstairs. I have to get something out of my locker.
Okay.
Why run? Wait. What are you doing?